You are currently the only person in this conference.
இது நீங்கள் வச்சுருங்க.
Hello.
Hello, Sai.
Yeah, hi, JT. What is happening?
ஹலோ சார். ஹலோ சார்.
Yeah, hi.
Why did you put the mic?
Shweta is there?
Yeah, she can be seen, but muted.
Yeah, okay. I think she's probably working on something.
Trying to reach you. We are trying to.
Hello, hi, good morning, everyone.
Yeah, hi.
Morning, Sue.
Morning.
Good morning. Everyone join or anyone is left to join the session?
No, the Rajesh and Srinivas is finding it difficult to connect. They've just sent a message.
Wait just a minute.
Yeah.
JD, you're taking this call from the office?
Yeah, we three are in office.
Okay, then they should not have any problem, right? They also are in the office.
Yes, I talked to Ria and she is sending the link to Rajesh and one of the student is there. I think only Rajesh is facing the issue or any other also. Hello.
Yeah, one other Srinivas.
Srinivas. Let me mention here Srinivas also. Could you please tell me what is the name here in the group, Srinivas?
Srinivas
7299.
Chellakolusu.
Hmm?
Srinivas Chellakolusu.
No,
Phone, you want the
its
phone
name is.
number?
Can you please tell me this number so I can mention?
It is
Hello, please tell me the Srinivas number so I can message.
72997 5399.
5399. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Wait, I already dropped the message to Ria. Let me check what exactly. Sign, you please connect with them. See if they are able to join, or is it possible we can join with the Zoom? Because daily, like LMS having some issues and all.
Let us check. We are in office. Let us check them. We'll check with them. Okay.
Okay. Okay, okay. Just wait, huh? They are unable to join. Sign.
Yeah.
they are unable to join the students.
Shweta, we're just calling them. Shweta, we're just calling them and finding out. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
just
okay.
just find out.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, have you talked to them? Hello.
They're joining. We spoke to him. They're joining. Hold on.
Okay. Okay, okay. You please let, then we will start.
Yeah, they'll join. Yeah, Srinivas has come online, and I'm not sure about Rajesh.
I will start the session or I have to wait for someone. What exactly, Sign?
I think you started because we are losing time here. We
Ah,
started
right,
and
right.
then
Because
yeah. Hello. Shanti, you join me, yeah?
the message.
Oh, no, we're all there. Everybody's there. No, I think Penny has joined.
Hi, Sweta.
hello. I
Hi,
think
Sweta.
Rajesh got the message ki he will joining. Please wait.
Yes, Shweta, Rajesh also here with me. I'm Srinivas speaking. Okay, so he is some technical issue. He is sitting with me. We both together joined.
Okay, okay, okay. So I can start, right?
Yeah, please.
Yes,
Go
please
ahead,
you can
Penny.
start.
Go ahead.
Okay, okay, great, great, great. Because already it's 10:15, right?
Yeah, we
Okay,
have lost a few.
let me ask one question to you guys. If you're facing issue while joining the this Chroma Campus LMS, we can continue with the Zoom link. Is it fine? I'm asking.
Yeah, I think that will be better actually. Zoom is far better.
Anna. So what exactly for Zoom? I will send one link by Saturday. Means our session will be on 2 days, Saturday and Monday, right? So what exactly by Saturday morning I will send you the link, and that link will be for every session. Link will be the same for every sessions. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
And about the recordings, I will provide you the recording in the WhatsApp group. You have to download it because after 1 week I will deleted the recordings from my hand. Okay. If we will join with the Zoom. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Okay, so where we were exactly in the last, and sorry, I forget to share you the PDFs, and like even you didn't no one ask me for the PDFs also, right? So really sorry for that. I forget to send you now. So let me start by this one here. Now my screen is visible.
Yeah.
Okay, how much we completed on the last session? This is totally completed. Anything is left here? This phases and all we completed till here, or no?
Not, we did not go to project.
Means
Yeah.
I think we completed till here SAP system landscape, right?
No. Go up. Go up.
Just a minute. Huh? You have to tell me we completed the advantages of SAP.
Yeah,
For
up
SAP.
to why SAP R3 software has been successful. Up to that level we have.
From till here we completed, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we have to start from here system landscape, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, system landscape, right? So every we have to start from here, correct? SAP system landscape. Yes, we have to start from here.
Yeah, please. From there
Okay.
on.
SAP system landscape. So SAP's implementation project goes to deployment phase. Deployment phase means one thing more. You please, everyone, please mute from your hand. If you have any doubt, any question, please let me know. Right? Correct. So SAP implementation, every SAP implementation project goes through deployment phase. Deployment can say that is the final stage, right? So what exactly the final stage? Like first we have to develop the system, means develop this SAP in the system. Then we have to check quality system and then production like that. Suppose if you develop the things in the system, if you didn't check the quality, didn't test the quality, produce. So what exactly might be it's like employees are facing some issues, they are not complete complete the task on time because server issue, something like that. So what exactly, whenever the team is going to develop, they have to develop the things in the system. After that they will check the quality, test the quality. After that they will produce in the system like so. This is the, we can say this is the SAP landscape. Three landscapes are there, then it will reach to the deployment phase, that is final stage. Okay, now this is the basic things you can read at home. I already provide the notes in the group if you saw. Now, this one is very important, phases of implementation project. How you are going to implement this SAP project in your company. Okay? The first one is project preparation. First, you have to prepare the project. Up suppose, let me ask you one question. If you are going to give the presentation, so what exactly the process you have to like make project make project presentation according to the client, right? What exactly their needs and needs, like that you have to prepare the project. After that you have to prepare the business blueprint. Any idea what is this business blueprint? Anyone, have you heard this word before, that business blueprint?
How it is going to be implemented?
Sorry, how it is
How it is
to
going to be implemented?
okay, wait, let me tell you. I have a screen here, let me show. Yeah, first let me tell you. First, what exactly we have to do, we have to prepare the project. After prepare, we have to make the business blueprint. Business blueprint is nothing, that is all the things are recorded there. Let me show you the business blueprint, how it looks like, right? Just give me a minute. Is it visible, my screen? This is Charminar steel casting. Is it visible?
Yeah, visible.
So what exactly I made this project. So one of the project is this, I'm showing you. So this is like Charminar steel casting. This is the project. Let me come down little. This is the blueprint, like business blueprint, how you have to prepare. This is a complete manual process for the configuration of SAP. See, all the contents are here, like FICO only. Like FICO means finance and controlling is not the sufficient work in the company, right? Other departments also important, like sales and distribution, material management, HR, PP, so many modules are there, right? But what exactly our only this one, that is finance and controlling. This one is little old, right? I prepared, this is little old one, but I have to show you how the you guys have to prepare the business blueprint while you start working, right? So first you have to add on all the chapters and what the things you are going to do for the like for the client. And after that you can start here. Project manager, one project manager is there, suppose Mr. Venkat, he is the project manager here. Module experts, you have to identify finance and controlling for Mr. Venkat, material management, this says these are the module experts. If you have a finance and controlling, Mr. Venkat, like that. Okay, now these are the end users. Let me show you like that. Under FICO, so many end users are working, 1, 2, 3, whatever the things are there. Up suppose FICO end user having any, they will come to us with the Srinivas Reddy, or they will ask to the Surya Prakash. They will not directly come to the module expert, or they will not come directly to the project manager. You have to maintain the hierarchy. End user is having any doubt, they can connect with the project coordinator or with the vertical lead. If they having some problem, coordinator or they will connect to the module experts. If module experts will have any doubt, they will connect to the product project manager. But they don't have this hierarchy. The end user will directly come to the project manager, right? Now, so how you have to start this one? First, you have to give brief about the things, finance and controlling, like what exactly finance and controlling, what exactly the work, everything means you have to give the introduction. After giving the introduction, from here you are going. Right now you are not able to understand, this is the manual process, right? Everything you have to write it down here, because your client don't know how you are working, right? Your client don't know what exactly the T codes you are using, so you have to identify each and every process here. Right now you are little new to here, you are not able to understand. After completing 1 or 2 chapters, I will show you again this one, then you can identify. Okay, so you are not the single person who is preparing this business blueprint, right? Your team will be there. They will help you out to prepare business blueprint. And for preparing the business blueprint, it will take 3 to 4 months, 2 to 3 months. It depends on you, right? It's not like within 1 week, with 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, you will prepare the business blueprint. No. If you have any others company business blueprint, other client, you can take the reference and you can prepare, but it will take again 1 to 2 months, right? Means this is a very big process. You have to note it down all the process there. So it will take time. First you have to think what exactly the work you are going to process in their company. Everything you have to note it down here. Why? Because client also check. If suppose I am the client, suppose you guys are the team here, right? What exactly you guys are working, Sai, Srinivas, like Rajesh, everything, what exactly are you guys are doing inside, I don't know anything, right? So if I have access, I can go inside and check. Okay, is it clear? So first,
Yeah.
what exactly we have to do? Phase one is we have to prepare the project. After preparing the project, we have to prepare the business blueprint. After preparing business blueprint, we have to how it works. Then we have to reach to the final preparation, go live, and continuous work is going on. Suppose 1 year it's done, everything is going good. Up now in the same year, like this is same blue business blueprint project, everything is same. Either if you want to add on something, you can add on. You have to remove something, you can remove. It depends on you, right? So the process is going on till when your project is not yet completed. Correct? So able to understand of implementation project. If you have any doubt, any question, please let me know.
Sure, sure. Continue.
Sorry.
You can continue. Sure. We'll ask if
Okay.
there are any doubts.
Okay. Now this one is completed, right? Now I have to move to the ERP. This SAP basics I clear you don't have any doubt. I already drop you the document in the group. Please check you guys get or not. Please check once. Check your WhatsApp. I already provided the notes to you. Whenever you are free, we have a good time, like Monday.
Receive.
Today is Monday, like till Saturday, right? you have a ample of time, you can read. If you have any doubt, any question, please let me know in the next session, right? Now we are
Okay.
going to start this. What is an ERP, right? ERP, it means enterprise resource planning. First, let me show you one diagram. Yeah, E stands for enterprise. What do you understand by the word enterprise? Anyone wants to share any thoughts about the regarding the enterprise?
Business organization. Entity?
Me, enterprise, we can say it's a business organization, right? Or if you have a like huge business organization, comes under the enterprise, right? I have resources. These are the M series: money, manpower, material, machinery, marketing methods. If I am saying to you guys, if I want to delete any one M from here, I can or no? What's exactly your answer? If I want to delete a single M from here, I can delete or not? Hello?
Can you repeat the question? What were you asking?
I am saying this is the resources, right? And here I have a M
Yeah.
series: money, manpower, material. If I want to delete any from here, I can or not? I'm asking this.
Delete. Yes.
Cannot
Okay,
delete.
Mr. Hmm?
Everything is important. No, without anything, cannot do it. All 6 resources are required.
Yeah, all these six are very important because without money we can't do anything. Without manpower we can't do. Material is important, even machinery important, marketing important, method is important. So resources is like everything is important in this is we are not able to remove anything. P for planning, effective utilization of and optimization of resources. Suppose planning is very very important. Why I'm saying, suppose if you have a huge business, suppose you started your business with suppose 10,000 crores, okay, you sources all M series is with you. Suppose your planning is not so good. If you have a bulk of material but no one is like planning ki how you have to store the material, how you have to consume that material, so it's like if you don't have proper planning, you will get the profit or not? You're getting profit or not? Definitely no, you are not getting single profit. Why? Because your planning is not a proper way. So effective utilization and optimization of resources depends on the planning only. So this is the ERP, that's why I'm elaborating ERP. Okay, able to understand? Now let me go little up. And here, ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a business software system that effectively supports the entire business throughout the project. See, what exactly this ERP is an enterprise structure life cycle. What exactly it's doing? Organizing, planning, maintaining, tracking, and utilization of resources. Right. We will cover which topics here: history of ERP, why do we need ERP software, ERP advantages, disadvantages, common ERP vendor list, and ERP software package. We are going to cover all these 7 topics in this chapter, that is enterprise resource planning. What is ERP? I already told you ERP is the way to integrate the data and process of the organization into a single system. In the previous session, I think I told you ERP is a module, means ERP is the thing. It will integrate all the modules, right? Are going to centralize the data. If you have any work with the any work with the FICO, PPSD, you can correlate with them, right? With the help of only ERP. So ERP cover all the basic informations, right? Is it possible you can read this at home? This is very basic things. Is it okay?
Yes. Yes.
Now, what the thing I have to tell you, I will cover that. Now, history of ERP. Okay, this is the history of ERP. ERP systems have take year to merge and still evolving. See, this ERP when launched, it's not the name of ERP. In 1970, manufacturing chain was center, right? Business operation. This led to MRP system. When they launched, the name of this one is MRP system. After 10 years, the second phase was there. 1980, name of this one MRP2. They focused majorly on the quality measures, right? After that, 1980, after again 10 years of interval, 1990 they developed the ERP. Means if someone is asking you the question, this ERP and developed, or the CRP come 1970? No, ARP will come in 1990. Before that, 1970 the name is MRP. Then second 1980s, after 10 years the name is MRP second system. After that they will come to the ERP in 1990. Okay. So what exactly the work system integrate with all already told you, means with the help of ERP all the modules are putting together, so it will evaluate easily. Now, MRP means what exactly? That is material requirement planning. Okay, how they are going to require, means manage the material requirements. Now, the next is, why do we need ERP software? ERP is an integrated system of different business process. Like company has different departments like sales, distribution, production department, material. So what exactly they all use a common database. So how they will use the common database? With the help of ERP only. So we can standardized system across all over the world, right? Either it's in plants in different location, different state systems, or different something like that. But with the help of ERP, everything is collaborate. Okay. Now, ERP advantages and disadvantages, because everything is having some advantages and disadvantages also. So let me cover first advantages. Reduce redundancy in entering data. You know what exactly the meaning of the word redundancy?
Duplication.
Correct. Redundancy means duplicacy. So if you are using SAP software, now you will not get the duplicate data, or you will not get the duplicacy here, right? Means overlapping is not allowed it here. ERP system, with the help of ERP only, you will not do the duplicacy and all. ERP system provides real time information all time. Matlab, what exactly it works on the real time only in the single system. It allow everyone to access the same source of information. Suppose you guys are working in the SAP, so they give you the access. If you're working as a consultant, so they give you the consultant access. You can work, you can share the information together. It allow access to update instantly and save. What exactly, if you're using the ERP software, so what exactly it will give you the access. If you want to update anything, you can update. It will take little time, right, to save and all. Integration among different function areas to ensure proper communication. How proper communication? Like if you want to increase the productivity efficiency, you can do. Next one is accounting for all these tasks, tracking revenue, cost, granular level. What exactly all the things, tracking revenue, cost, generating, done by the SAP only. You have to give focus on the work only. Information, with the help of ERP, you are going to standardize your business, right? It is a single source of system that can be used throughout the organization. Now, able to understand the advantages?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
No, go ahead.
Okay. Now we have to come here the disadvantages, right? Up, see, disadvantages means takes a lot of effort and time, required a lot of training. Suppose if you guys are here, okay, now you guys are taking taking the trainings. It will take time to understand. It requires a lot of training. Then you can understand the software, right? Means it's not like that within 1 or 2 days you are able to proceed. You are able to work in that, right? Next one is customization of is limited. Up, suppose if you have any customer, right? They said ki, I want customization or something. I want this software according to me. So customization are there, but customization is limited, right? It's not like that ki you can do according to you know. as per the requirements you can do. ERP system can be very expensive. I already told you this is very expensive software. Small scale industries or medium scale industries will not opt this SAP software, right? ERP system centralize the data in one place. This can risk up. See what exactly. Suppose if you are storing the data in one place, might it does it means it not happens ki like violation or something, but might be it happens. So what exactly, this is also a big risk. Your all data will lost. Suppose if you are saving the data on one side, right? So might be it happens, but now till now nothing happened like that. But this is the disadvantages we can take. The uses of ERP system can be difficult for you. So what exactly you have to take the appropriate training, then you have to give, I mean, what exactly, suppose right now you guys are taking training, after completing the office hours you have to practice. So everything is required, right? Okay, so this is the disadvantages of SAP. Able to understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me come down. Now this is the common ERP. This is very basic thing. Whenever you're free, you can read from here. Okay, I just cover the main points. Yeah, sometimes what exactly happen, like before ERP or after ERP. Sometimes they will ask you the question ki before ERP or after ERP, what exactly the scenarios. What exactly you are saying? Let me share my screen again. Yes, my screen is visible.
Yes.
We can see.
See, before ERP or after ERP, what exactly the difference? Now you can understand. Before ERP, what exactly the thing? One person is there or one team is there, they will take the order. While taking the order, the sales, production, logistic, billing department, they are just chilling, they're just enjoying, right? When they just receive the order, the sales department is recording the things in the system. Then at the time of sales department is working, production, logistic, and billing, they are simply relaxing, right? Then this production is coming like one by one, then go to the warehouse, like that it will a big process, right? What exactly it will, suppose if I want the product within 1 month, I didn't get, I will get the product in 1 month? No. Clear? Not possible. But what exactly after ERP, you can see ERP is centralized here. If any team is having any problem, they will give the input, they will get the output from there. See here, this side client is also working, suppliers are also working. If client wants to see and check, they will come also, they will check. Supplier wants to see and check, they will come and check it from here. So it's a very flexible or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Full and time saving also.
Okay. So like this. So before ERP and after ERP, it's a big, huge difference, right? Here it's very traditional way to do or to follow the things, but here they are using the technology on modern way, right? Like this. Now, if you see top ERP vendor list, top ERP vendors, manufacturing and distribution industry. It will cover so many things. Manufacturing and distribution industry. It's not very small. It's very big industry, right? So if you see, these are the software: SAP, Oracle, Microsoft, Info, Epicor, IFL, Lawson, and others. These are the softwares, right? Now you can see market share. 28% is holding by SAP. So you can see manufacturing and distribution department is also holding this SAP software, right? So SAP is booming in manufacturing and distribution department. Now the next one is, instead of covering this particular or a company, I just compiling the big things here: transport, communication, energy, and sanitary service. You can see SAP software is again 35%, right? With good shares. You can say this is the market share, means this industry is transport, communication, energy, sanitary service also holding a good market share, that is 35%. After that, if we are talk about the service sector, this is also again a big sector. SAP is holding 30% of their others. You can see 21 21 15 2%, 3%, like that, right? But you can see SAP share is 30%. Again, it's booming. ERP vendor is retail sector. If you are seeing retail sector, market share is 31%, right? Again, it's booming retail sector also. Able to understand this one? and this share will increase day by day, like 30 to 40, 40 to 50, like that. It will not decrease.
See, it is globally, right? Not only
Uh,
in India.
no. I'm talking about it globally, because this software is working globally, right? So how we imagine it's only in India? No. Okay.
Yeah, that's true.
Now, these are the ERP software packages. What ERP? Banned by Ban Corporation. These are the software packages, right? What exactly company opt? People software for Oracle Corporation, or Oracle application, JD Edwards from Oracle Navision. These are the names, simply software packages. Okay, able to understand?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so I already shared you the both files. This one, ERP and SAP. Whenever you are getting the time, you start reading. If you have any doubt, any question, please ask me in the next session, right? Now from today onwards, we are going to start the new topic. Everyone server access. Yes.
Yes, we have.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. So from today onwards, we are going to start the new topic, and the first topic, that is enterprise structure. So first, let me show you the enterprise structure. After the session, or like not after the session, I will provide you this ERP notes also. Okay. If suppose if I forget, now please drop one message in the group also. Okay.
Okay.
Just a minute. Let me open the notes for ERP. There it is. Exam. Here it is. Yeah, so from today onwards, we are going to start the new topic, and this is the basics one, right? Enterprise structure. What exactly is enterprise structure? My screen is visible.
Yeah, we can see your computer.
Okay. Now, what is enterprise structure? Enterprise structure is the organizational structure as represented in SAP system, right? ERP is like ERP. We can say enterprise structure is the basis for configuration of other parameter. It is primarily defined three domains: finance and controlling, sales and distribution, and logistics. But what exactly, however, we have to define here finance. We have to work finance and controlling. So for this one, let me come down. ERP structure configuration, right? For like enterprise structure, you can say configuration. We have to follow all these 10 steps, but this third step is not working right now in ECC. This step is working with the ECC, but we are working in the SAP S4 HANA. So we will means in SAP this step is not working. Okay, why I am not removing from my step? Because sometimes in the interview they will ask you the question, right? Ki this new company in SAP back company copying existing company code, you are not following. So you have to tell ki nahi. And this one we was working with the ECC, but right now we are working with the SAP S4 HANA, so we will not follow this step. Okay, you have to remember. So first thing is like that, we have to define the company. What exactly the company? Let me clear you things. A company is again the smallest organization unit. Let me give you one example. Have you heard about Tata Group of companies, Reliance Group of companies? This is core companies, right? A Reliance Group of companies, Tata, Adani, these are the big companies, right? So like that, whenever you start working in the company, this type of companies is coming to you. So you have to start working SAP for them. Okay, how you have to do? See, it can either include one or more company codes. What exactly the company codes? I will tell you later on. Definition of company is option. A company is an independent organization element. Suppose Reliance Group of companies. So this is the independent company or company. This is the independent company of Ambani, right? They are not dependent to any others. Shareholders are there, that is okay. They're dependently means independently for them only, right? They are not dependent or something like that. So company is an independent organization element which is required to consolidate. Consolidate means putting together two or more company codes at country level. Means either you have to decide country level, segment level, where they can generate revenue and expenditure, or continental level. So under company we are going to generate, means agar simple words, in the simple words, if you want to say what is a company, right? if the simple words you want to say what is a company. So company is a group of organization which is used to generate financial statements. Okay. Now if you want to do the company, if you want to create the company, what steps you are going? Navigation path. Navigation path means it's a you can say one by one step you can do. Or T code means transaction code, that is the shortcut key. Okay. Navigation path means you can follow one by one step. How? SPRO, then you can go here, then you can go here, like that. Or T code, reach there. One thing I have to ask you, so you guys are preparing for the interview also, or I don't want to tell any interview questions in between?
No, not specifically interview, but just do it as a consultant. Assume we are consultants.
Okay, so I have to not tell you the interview perspective, right?
No, you can
Okay.
tell us.
Okay. So what exactly, while you're working as a consultant or in the company, means before consulting, if you are like preparing for any other company or something like that, right? So what exactly, sometimes they will ask you what exactly the T code of suppose company. So you have to tell them. If they will ask what exactly the navigation path, you have to tell them. So you have to practice for both. Okay. Either it's navigation, either it's a T code, and both things have to follow. Let me get back to the server. Means initially when you start working in the company now as a consultant, you can go directly with the T code, that is okay. But when you are like when you want to face any interview or something like that, you have to know each the path. Okay, there SPRO. Have you read? It's written there SPRO, right? SPRO is the code. If you are not mentioning this SPRO, you are not able to go inside. Okay. If suppose end user, you guys are working as a consultant, right? You don't have means your end user don't have access to go there, right? So only consultant. If you're working as a consultant, FICO consultant, ST, any consultant, this is the code, that is SPRO. You have to mention, then you can go inside. SPRO full form is S stands for S. This S stands for SAP. SAP means System Application Product and Data Processing. P stands for project. R stands for reference, and O stands for object. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, after writing this SPRO, you have to press enter. After pressing enter, new screen is here. It's visible. SAP reference image. You have to click here. Now, from here, we are going to start the things. First, what exactly written there? Let me show you again. See, we follow this SPRO, then SAP reference image, right? We follow the both path. Hello. Okay. Now,
Yes.
enterprise structure definition and financial accounting. Let me come here. Enterprise structure. See, if you start clicking here, you are not able to go inside. Some rules are to
Yes.
how you can opt this one. If you start clicking enterprise structure, you're not able to go inside. You have to click in this arrow, then you can go inside. This documentation, this icon is there, na documentation. If you start clicking here, if you want to read more about the enterprise structure for yourself, you can go and start reading from here, and you can make your okay. Now, enterprise structure. After enterprise structure, you have to go to the definition. No need to click here. Right click in the arrow, definition, then financial accounting, then define company. Up suppose you have to read more about the company, you can go in this documentation part. You can read from here whatever you means. If you want, you want to read more, you have to understand more, you can go and read from here. Because like we don't have so much time, so you can read all these things in the session, right or wrong?
Okay.
Now after that, you close from here. This is the, we can say, image activity. You have to click here. Here we are going to create the company. Okay. So we have to go to the new entities. Now you please tell me which company name we have to give.
You don't get.
Hmm?
No, no, you just choose whichever.
So just suppose you please tell me what exactly your company name we can make from this only. What's
ACL
your
Digital.
company name? ACL, right?
Yeah, ACL.
ACL. ACL.
Digital. Digital.
One second. ACL. Company. Companies. Okay. ACL Digital Group of Companies. Now, first you have to decide the company name, right? ACL Digital Group of Companies. After that, company here at the top. Always remember when you are going to maintain the company, always having 6 digit with alphanumeric. So I can take ACL D1 like that. Okay. Why I'm taking D is for digital, right? Whatever you want, you can take according to you. So I'm taking ACLD12. That is alphanumeric and with 6 digit. Clear?
Yeah, clear. So maximum 6 digit, right?
Right. Maximum, not maximum. You have to rotate it down with alphanumeric. This is a standard, right?
Rounded. Okay.
Now it's street. Anything you can give because this is a dummy server. I can give the street like MG Road. After that, like postal code like 6 digit, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. City I can mention here. Suppose Mumbai. Country I can mention here India. IN language I can mention here English. Currency I can mention here INR. That is Indian rupees. Till here any doubt?
So in currency, whichever you mentioned here, this is related to parent currency or the accounting currency.
No. I'm talking about this ACL. This is like India-based company, right?
Yes.
So I can mention INR. Suppose if you have any other country like Afghani, whatever the things, all country currencies are there. You can mention according to you, right? According to you can mention the currency, language, everything with them. Instead of India, you can mention any other country. You can mention Sweden, Australia, whatever you want. You can mention from here. It depends
So
on your
finally, this
company only. Uh-huh.
yes.
If
So
it is
finally, this currency
multi-currency,
represents accounting currency.
One by one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
if it is
Please let
multi-currency,
me.
then
Suppose if multi-currency, then we will do after some time. First, suppose this ACL Digital Group of companies. Suppose this is basically from India or based on Mumbai. So we have to define currency here. But after some time, if you are using multi-currency, so we can give currencies also after some time, right?
okay.
After that, we have to save. While you are saving, this is coming creation of Pallav. This is not our company, right? So what exactly before own request? There is one create request is there. Is it visible? I have to click here and here I have creation. What exactly we are doing? Creation of a ACL digital group of companies like that. Okay, press enter and then green tick, right? So what exactly? Right now we are preparing the company that is ACL Digital Group of Companies and the T code is ACD12. Everyone please note it down what exactly we are doing, right? What exactly we're preparing this one ACL Digital because always we are working with this company only, right? Till last. From starting till last we are working on this company only. We are not going to change daily basis, okay? Everyone please note it down this if it is possible let me share with the WhatsApp to you, right? Have you please tell me able to understand or out in this one?
Understood.
Understood? So up see
Yes.
up suppose you guys like everyone I'm talking like Sai, Sumant, Rajan, Srinivas,
Yeah,
everyone, right?
yeah. Understood.
What,
Understood.
Yeah,
so what
it's clear.
Yeah, no, let me tell you one thing. Whenever you are going to prepare in your server, right? No need to prepare with ACL Digital, right? You have to prepare for your company. Like you can prepare, suppose Sai is there, Sai group of companies, Srinivas group of companies, like that. No need to pick the same name. Okay? Either you can take your spouse name, either you can take your mother name, father name, whatever you want, but no need to take as a ACL Digital, right? Just try to take different. If suppose if Sai takes Sai group of companies, suppose again Srinivas takes Sai group of companies. So what exactly overlapping is there? Sai already saved. Sai didn't have any problem. But if like I can say when Srinivas is saving this one, na, so Srinivas will facing the problem. Okay. I already shared the company name in the group, and I have dropped the company also, right? This is our company because we have to follow this step only. Okay. Now, one more step we will do, then after we will wind up the session. Okay. So at least 2 steps you have, so you can do at home 2 steps. Now, this is the steps. What exactly you have to do whenever you get time after the session? Just start reading from here. What exactly it's written here? We are following the same path. The T code is OX15, right? Now, see, we are how we reach here by the like this, right? Now I have to mention the T code here. The T code is OX15. If I'm entering OX15 directly, I reach here. I don't want to go to the new entries because I already saved the data. I have to check what exactly I made. So my company is, what is exactly my company? Tell me.
ACLD 12.
Correct. ACLD12 enter. Now you can see it's written over here. ACL Digital Group of Companies. Okay, like that. Now let's do one more step. After that, we will wind up, right? Now the next step is we have to make the company codes. Like, have you heard Reliance Group of Companies, Tata Group, Adani? So many big companies are there. So in Reliance Group of Companies, so many branches are there, like Reliance Digital, Reliance Trains, Reliance Geo, Reliance Communication, Reliance Power, Reliance. Yeah, so many things are there, right? So like that, we in our company, like ACL Digital, we are going to create the subdivision. What exactly the meaning of company code? It is an independent organization unit which is registered under Companies Act. In short, we can say it is a branch of a company. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
now you can read this at home. Now let me go to the go with the navigation path. Let me come here. Up, suppose you are here. If you want to go to the main menu, either you can go with this one arrow. Okay. Now SPRO enter. SAP reference image, main, again enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting. We completed this one, define company. Now we have to go this third step at home. Just go inside and read from here. Okay. You have to read from here. This is your duty. Okay. Now I have to click here, go inside and edit company code data. Now from here we are going to create the company code. What is our company name? Like ACL. ACL is our company. ACL, you have to tell me what branches we are going to open in ACL. Suppose ACL Finance. Okay. ACL Finance. Up, see, when we saved the company, it's 6-digit with alphanumeric. Remember, when we creating that company, it's 6-digit with alphanumeric. But when we are going to create the company code, it is having 4-digit ACL 1, like that. Okay. Always November. When you are going to create the company code, it's having 4-digit with alphanumeric. Now city, I can give the mention Mumbai. Same again, country India, currency INR, English. Okay, till here any doubt?
Yes, Shweta. So regarding company code, it should be only 4 digit. Both the
4-digit with
combination of
alphanumeric. With alphanumeric.
so maximum 4.
Maximum 4 with alphanumeric, right?
Okay.
Okay. After that, I have to save. If I'm saving, new screen will pop up. Title, I have to give company. What exactly I'm giving here? ACL Finance. Same here, I have to give ACL Finance. ACL Finance. After that, street. I can mention here same MG Road. Here I can give the house number. This is 234. Simply, this is the dummy server, so you can give anything. Country, I can mention India. Suppose Mumbai. So Mumbai is from Maharashtra. Reason I have to select 13, right? 13 is from Maharashtra. PO box I can give 6-digit name. Postal code I can give 6-digit again. Language English is there. Now you can see in the down green tick is there. That is copy option, right? This You have to tick here. Now see, creation of ACL digital group of companies is coming. You simply tick here and it will save. Okay. Now, if you want to go outside, the T code is /n. With the, you please note it down. /n. If you are putting, you can reach directly to the main menu. Okay. /n, enter. Now you can see the T code for this one, OX02, enter. Sometimes you can see the data is locked, so no need to take tension. Sometimes it happens the data is locked. You have to put yes or no, whatever you want. You have to put one T code here, /NSM12, enter. This is my username, that is Shweta, but your username is SCP, something like that. Remove this one, click on search button, select all, delete. Okay, now again go /n to the main menu, and you have to enter the T code for company code, OX0, enter. Now go to the position, because already you created, so no need to go to the new menus. We have to check position. What is our company code? ACL1. Is it visible? ACL Finance we created. Okay. Clear?
Right.
Let me drop this message also. कि our company name is ACL1. Company code is ACL1. Yeah. So I want everyone keep in the next session. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want everyone to you please complete it till here. First, you have to create the company. After creating the company, you have to create the company code. So, what exactly next session? I will check first, right? After that, we will do next. What exactly happen if your company code is wrong now? So everything will be wrong after some time. Okay, is it fine?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, any
Yeah,
doubt,
fine.
any see what exactly you have to do? You have to go, you have to practice. If you're facing any issue, any problem, please let me know. We will clear in the next session, right? And please check your WhatsApp. I already provide you 3 notes. That is what is when like SAP notes, then ERP notes, and then this enterprise structure. I already provided the notes in your WhatsApp group. Please check once. Everyone get the notes.
Yeah, sure. Sweta, just one query regarding this that X012, this kind of codes where we can go and check short codes.
So
No, where we can go and check that short codes.
see, first you have to prepare, right? First you have to prepare the company. After then you can check from here. Suppose first code is OX15. What exactly we prepare the company? Go to the position, and a company name is ACLD12. If you didn't prepare, how you can check like this? It's coming here.
Yeah, right. But I mean that OXV you mentioned, right? Or /IN.
Meeting.
/IN.
Those kind of shortcuts where we can go and check.
Go to
Do we have any list of shortcuts?
No. I will let you know, and you have to note it down from your hand, right? The things what exactly I'm guiding you in the session, you have to make your own notes, the
Okay.
shortcuts
So
and all.
that is okay, understood. So there is no PPT or something else you have handy with you.
No. What exactly now? After some time, if you start right now, I know this is very new for you, but after some time, when you start using it, you just mean all these things are mug up to you. If you want to reach to the menu, you can press like /n like this, right?
Yeah, I got it. But it will be helpful if you have any specific document like that.
So what exactly I can mention there in the notes? Okay,
In which notes?
this one na. Next, if I provide any notes, I can mention all these things there.
Yes, please.
Okay, chalo. So let's wind up the session now. Now next session is on Saturday, so we will meet on Saturday, right?
Yeah, Saturday. So by Saturday morning, you will share the Zoom link, right?
Like Zoom is okay for everyone, na?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay,
Yeah, we are
by
fine. But what about
by
the
8.
meeting? Sorry to interrupt. So what about the downloads of these this kind of video sections where we can
I
go and
already
download?
told you. I share the videos in the WhatsApp group. You can download from your end, or if you are if you are not having any issue with this LMS, you can continue with this also.
Okay.
You please confirm and let me know in the group. So according to you, we can proceed. Right? If you want in the Zoom, I can go with the Zoom. If you want to continue in this LMS, I can continue in this one. Right?